Welcome to HM General Knowledge. Fahin visited India during the region of Chandragupta II, Samudragupta, Ramagupta, Kumaragupta. The answer is Chandragupta II. Chandragupta II was the third and the most important of the Gupta kings. During his reign, the famous Chinese pilgrim Fahin visited India and wrote a detailed account of his kingdom. He described his journey in his travelogue, a record of Buddhist kingdoms.
Wang Song.
Visited India during the region of Chandragupta I, Chandragupta II, Harshavardhana, Rudraman. The answer is Harshavardhan. It was during Harsha's reign that
Wang Song.
came to India. He has given a vivid description of the social, economic, and religious conditions under the rule of Harsha. He resided in India for 17 years in search of Buddhist texts. All his experience was shared in his book Siyuki, which means Great Tanks Record of the Western Regions. The Kanauj Assembly, organized by Harsha, was held in the honor of Fahin, Hastings,
Wang Song.
and Megastin. And the answer is Huang Suang. The convocation of an assembly at Kanauj was one of the most important events of the region of Harsha. The famous Chinese traveler Huang Suang was also present and presided the assembly. Who among the following foreigners was the first to visit India? Huang Suang, Megastin, Hastings, and Fahin. The answer is Megastin. Megastin is an ambassador of Seleucus Nicator who visited the court of Chandragupta Maurya and wrote an interesting book, Indica, in which he gave a vivid account of Chandragupta Maurya period. Fahin, he came to India during the reign of Chandragupta II, Vikramaditya. He was the first Chinese pilgrim to visit India to collect Buddhist texts and relics. Huang Suang, he visited India during the age of King Harshavardhan. Hastings, a Chinese traveler, he visited India in connection of Buddhism in India around 671 to 695 AD. A great astronomer and mathematician during the Gupta period was Bhanugupta, Vagabhata, Aryabhatta, Varahamira. And the answer is Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta is a great mathematician astronomer from the classical age of Indian mathematics and Indian astronomy who belongs to the Gupta era. His works were Aryabhatya and Arya Siddhanta. Vagabhatta, scientist, doctor, and advisor of Ayurveda. Varaha Mira, a Hindu astrologer and astronomer. Who among the following was the court physician of Kanishka? Vasumitra, Nagarjuna, Charaka, Patanjali. The answer is Charaka. Charaka was the court physician of Kanishka. He was one of the principal contributors to the ancient art and science of Ayurveda. He is sometimes referred to as the father of Indian medicine. Nagarjuna is a philosopher. Vasumitra is a Buddhist scholar. The above three were adorned the court of Kanishka. Ajanta caves were built during the period of Gupta, Kushans, Mayura, and Chalukya. The answer is Gupta. The Ajanta caves in Aurangabad district of Maharashtra are about 30 rock-cut Buddhist cave monuments. Most of them were constructed during Gupta period. Ravi Kirti, a Jain, who composed the High Hole inscription, was patronized by Pulikesi I, Harsha, Pulikesi II, Karavela. The answer is Pulikesi II. Ravi Kirti was the court poet of Chalukya king Pulikesi II, who reigned from 610 to 642 AD. He authored the High Hole inscription at Megaduri temple, which describes the defeat of Harshavardhan by Pulikesi II and the shifting of the capital from Aihole to Badami. Chinese travelers visited India primarily because they are interested in Buddhism, they are invited by the Indian kings, they were interested to study the Indian culture, they were interested to stay in India. The answer is they were interested in Buddhism. After the spread of the Buddhist religion, Chinese travelers came to India in big numbers to collect religious books and to visit holy places of Buddhism. Notable among these travelers were Fahin, Einstein, and Huanshuang. During whose region did the Gandhara school of art blossom? Harsha, Ashoka, Kanishka, and Chandragupta too. The answer is Kanishka. Gandhara art is the combination of Indo-Roman, Indo-Greek, Indo-Islamic, Indo-China. The answer is Indo-Greek. The school of arts developed during the Kushan period with a mixture of Indian and Greek style is known as Gandhara art. These both questions were similar. The Gandhara civilization peaked during the region of great Kushan king Kanishka. The Kushan period is considered the golden period of Gandhara. Many monuments were created to commemorate the Jataka tales. It declined and suffered destruction after invention of the white Huns in the 5th century. Both Shakas and Kushans were patterns of Gandhara school. Gandhara school of art shows Greek influence, therefore it is known as Indo-Greek art. The important features of the schools are Buddha is shown as Roman and Greek gods. Mustache and beard are added to Buddha's face. The figure of the school follow a given ratio between the size of the face and the rest of the body. Vardhaman Mahavira is also known as Jinnah, great teacher, great preacher, Jain. The answer is Jinnah. Vardhaman Mahavira was also known as Jinnah, which literally means the conqueror. Jinnah refers to the one who conquered love and hate, pleasure and pain, attachment and aversion, and has thereby freed his soul from the karmas, obscuring knowledge, perception, truth, and ability. It was from this word that Jainism was derived. Buddha means great conqueror, great saint, wise one, enlightened one. The answer is enlightened one. The word Buddha in Pali and Sanskrit means enlightened one. The word has become synonymous with Buddha Shakyamuni, who is also known as Gautama Buddha. Gautama Buddha was born as Siddhartha in a royal family. He began to be called the Buddha after attaining enlightenment under the Bodhi tree in Gaya. Lord Mahavira died at Saravana Belagola, Lumbini Garden, Kalugumalai, Pavapuri. The answer is Pavapuri. Lord Mahavira died at the age of 72 at Pavapuri near Rajgiri. Who was the mother of Mahavira? Yashoda, Trisala, Jamali, Mahamaya. The answer is Trisala. Vardhaman, original name of Mahavir. Kundagram, Mahavira's birthplace. Trishala, Mahavira's mother name. Yashoda, Mahavira's wife name. Jamali, Mahavira's son-in-law and also his first discipline. Sal tree, the tree under which Mahavira got Kaivalya. Pavapuri, place where Mahavira died. Thanks for watching my video.
Please subscribe my channel and share my video to people who are studying for competitive examination. Thank you.